how to do this?
Yes. Teach me. Stop. Teach me how to do it. Hi, Toy Bunny Central here. Today we're unboxing Treasure X. It comes with 3 Treasure X inside, and it has 3 instructions. 1, find the map. 2, rip the gold rail. 3, use the coin on your treasure. Uncover the digging tool. Dig up the wall. Stop. Discover bones and weapons. Build your treasure control. Find the treasure chest. Add water to fill. Reveal your treasure.
You guys ready to open it?
Yeah.
And how many is in there, Ethan?
3. I already said 3. Tape on it. I got it. Oh yeah, the size. Oh yeah.
Hold on.
Guys, stop.
Go down.
Stop.
Let's show everybody.
It's on.
What is this? Let's show everyone what this is first.
Put it out.
Yeah.
Glad you found a
Can you
map.
show us the map?
Just tape on it.
Put it on the table so we can see.
You whipped it?
No. No, it's just like that. Can you put it on the table?
Oh.
So this is
Show him.
the collector's guide.
Extra.
Let's see, this one is Gold Blade,
I'm like.
King Gold Crown, with the Pharaoh Loot Boots, Admiral Gold Hook, Gold Diver, Lord Lutem, Goldius Maximus, Rogue Gold Snatcher, and Dr. Buzz.
Okay, let's put it on the
What's on the
back.
other side?
This is what we're gonna go look for.
It's the map, treasure map, right?
Yeah.
How do we use a treasure map?
Wait, what's that thing? Oh yeah, it's in there somewhere. That's the rubber band.
Put it on the table so we can see everybody.
I'm gonna dig. I'm gonna dig.
What is
It's like
it?
a
What is
fidget spinner. And they're gonna dig. Stop.
Wait, this is
A digging tool. Digging tool.
so one looks like a
I'm awake.
like a rake,
And this one is a shovel.
shovel,
And a screw, I guess. A screwdriver.
like a screwdriver. What's the last one? Looks like.
And it looks
Can you
like
show everybody?
you just a spike. And they go
Kind of like a
spike.
spike.
A spike.
Okay.
They go.
Spike.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
First you get the paper.
Okay, hold on. First, Ethan.
You can't open it.
Put this in there. You're supposed to find what match you have.
Goes. Find gold scar. You get this gold scar. It's so hot out here. I need water. I need water. Yes.
Yes.
I wonder. So, yes, you get it. You get it.
You're getting this one. This golden map.
I dig in.
Whoa.
I think I feel something already. I think I see something. I don't know. It's something green.
Oh, the treasure box. Yes. Let's see what you got so far. Ethan, look, something fell right here.
Oh, yeah.
Look, Ethan.
I got these two. And I think I got all of them out already. You got this guy, Ethan.
Which one? Which one?
This guy. That's on the box.
Go, Brandon, go.
Well, I see something already right there. Go, Ashton, go.
Go, Ashton, go.
Go, Ricky. What do you got? What do you got? There. That's why I told you to get this one. Ow! I see the shovel. Shovel. No, on the bottom. Yeah. Okay, here's Ashton.
Oh, Ashton got all your pieces?
Yeah. Yeah. I got
Yeah. This is who?
mine.
Ashton.
Check Ethan's.
Ashton.
Yeah. This is mine. Ethan's.
Ethan.
I think I got a glow in the dark one.
Ooh, nice.
You did.
There's a treasure.
I
This is
saw-
this.
Braden!
This is exactly what he wanted. I think everybody got what he wanted, huh?
Well, I put it in.
For your legs. How about you, Bray?
I think I got it.
Ashton. How you doing? Good job, Bray.
Yes. Hey. Oh, I put it wrong.
What are you doing, Ashton?
Confused.
Good job, doing it all by yourself. Good job, Ashton. Oh, you did it. Oh, come on, Brayden. Almost done, Brayden. Brayden just has the legs.
Acting like a cat. Oh, it's fizzing. It's fizzing a little bit.
What are you supposed to do? This way you get for grabbing it. Do you can look now or what?
Mommy, cut it and I scratched myself.
What'd you get?
Where is it go? It's clear. Because my
Put it on the
tooth
plate.
is
Put on the plate. Put on the plate right here.
Whoa.
You got like
Yeah.
Let
Something
Brayden take
gold.
Brayden, take it out. Let me see.
Look, it's fizzing.
Yes.
Oh, I can't get it.
Now you want to take it? Use the tool. Take it out with a tool. Use the tool. Take it out.
It's done.
Okay. You want to use the tool? Alright, straight finger.
See?
Hold on, Esther. Hold on.
Let's use tool.
What is
They got
that?
a shoe. They got a shoe.
It's Brayden's.
The golden key.
Asha, what'd you get?
That
Can I
he
see
got
Asha?
stone.
Can I see your person?
Oh, this is my
Are
weapon.
you covering his face with your shoulder?
I'm getting this weapon.
Okay, really cool. Ethan, having a little